Should you put dimensions in the dimension class or in a different class? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years. A question that came up recently was somebody was questioning me about whether to put dimensions in the dimension class or to put them in a different class. So first of all, let's have a look to see where you control that. It's a document preference. And under dimensions, you can create dimensions in the dimension class. Now you can turn that off and it'll create your dimensions in your active class. Or you can change this and you can create dimensions in any class you want. So what's the difference? Well, if you're working in a design layer, let's go back to our design layer here. So this is my design layer. If I create my dimensions here and I put them in the dimension class, it's difficult for me to then separate dimensions related to demolition work and proposed work. So you end up having different classes for dimensions that relate to the framing plan, dimensions that relate to the finishes plan, dimensions that relate to electrical, and so on. So what's the alternative? Well, the alternative is to leave the dimensions in the dimension class, but instead of putting the dimensions in the design layer, put the dimensions in the viewport. So here's an example here. Now in this case, I put the dimensions in the viewport. Now you'll notice that my plan is rotated. If we go back to my design layer, so there's my plan, but it's rotated. So if I go back to a top plan view, that's the plan unrotated. So then I could put dimensions on it, but the dimensions then would not relate to the viewport. When I go back to my viewport and have a look, you can see that my dimensions want to be presented in a neat way in the rotation of my viewport. And this is a lot easier if you do it in the viewport. So let's have a look inside the viewport. Now, because the dimensions only appear in one viewport, I don't care what class I put them on. They're in the dimension class, but you just don't have to worry about it. Now, is there a problem with these dimensions accidentally being out of date when I update my plan? Well, when you place the dimensions, you can auto-associate these. So here I've auto-associated my dimensions, so when I place a dimension, it should be associated to the walls that are there. I'm going to go back to this view. Now I'm just going to close some of these. Let's close that one. I'm going to close that one. So what I'd like to have is I'd like to have my viewport here. And this is my floor plan. So what happens if I grab hold of this wall and move it? So you can see that moved, but these dimensions didn't update because they weren't associated. These two dimensions were associated, but these two are not. So let's go back and let's fix that. So here I'm going to make sure these dimensions are associated. So this one here should be associated as well. There. Now let's move that wall. And you'll notice that those dimensions have now moved because they were associated to this wall. So if you do put your dimensions in the viewport and you put them on the dimension class, it doesn't really cost you much. Now the only reason I put my dimensions in the design layer on a complex project is because I'm often thinking about the locations of things. So often I will have projects where I put my dimensions in specific classes and I will do them in the design layer. Now the choice is yours, and it really comes down to a personal philosophy. Most of my projects I've actually dimensioned in the design layer because that's where I'm working on the design. And I find that putting the dimensions in the viewport, while it looks really cool in this example, long term I found it was not what I wanted. As the drawings became more complex, I needed to go back and look at the design. I'd need to move a wall, then I'd have to come back here and put the dimension on, and I was jumping between the floor plan and the viewport. Now it's up to you, but if you want advice, you can book me for online training, but otherwise I'll say join my community. I'll put the link in the description. I'll catch you later.